So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of GeekChamp. In this video, I will guide you with how you can use live transcription in the Notes app in iOS 18. So first of all, open the Notes app on your iPhone. Now, open the note in which you want to record the audio, or you can create a new note. After this, tap on this icon and then tap on Record Audio. Now, tap on this icon and then press the red button to start recording. Now, as I speak, this will show the live transcription of the audio that is recorded. Once done, press on this pause button and then tap on Done. Now, as you can see here, it shows the transcription of the audio recorded. Tap on it to view full transcription. So this is how you can use live transcription in the Notes app on your iPhone with iOS 18. I hope you find this video useful, and if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.